up guys, today I'm gonna go over an unboxing on the Total90 Laser Elite Soft Ground, size 9.5, white, color is a white black chlorine blue. So let's check it out. These retail at $325, but you can probably find them in the 100 range. Now with the Laser 4 out, these went down in price. I got these for $115. So there's a cleat. Or your Nike Soccer Plus code, which I never use. I mean, the cleat looks great. There are your soft ground studs, carbon fiber, nice little shiny carbon fiber, none of that cheap crap. There's your 3D raised fins to give the ball some swerve. There's your nice textured sock liner. I'll go over that in a few. Here's the right shoe. Same thing, nothing different. So far so good. I'm liking these. Can't wait to try them out. There's your tool for the studs. And now the Nike famous Nike bag actually, I mean. Nice little swoosh. The price these retail at, you would expect a little something with them. It's a nice little bag. See how long it lasts this. So there you have them. Nice looking pair of cleats. Let me show you guys the sock liner. See if I can get it out with no trouble. Alright. There we go. So there's your sock liner, you know, nothing fancy. Basic. I like the texture of it, not sure you can tell. Almost like snake skin, huh? There's your pour on. Never tried T90 sock liner, but pretty sure it feels like just like the CTR. So we'll see how it works out. Looking forward to shooting with these and making a video. So there you have it guys. Nike Total90 Laser Elite Soft Ground. I'll be making a free kick video with these later in the future. Tell you guys everything all about it, what I thought. So there you go guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. See ya.